Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add the night vision effect on CapCut PC. So select your video first, and you're going to go to filters first actually, and just try to type in night or just fully type in night vision. And it's this like green one here, and you're just going to apply it to your video. And here I'm just going to adjust my video a little bit. I usually add in adjustments to the exposure. This is just me trying it out. It doesn't really make a difference, but adjust the exposure, and I add in a lot of particles for the green effect, and I also add like a vignette effect to it. And here's me just trying to find the camera effect. I struggle a lot on this one because my Wi-Fi was down, and it's under the vlog effect, and you can just type in camcorder. I think that's the one you want to type and not camera. And it looks like a night vision camera more with that like effect. You can add in like a VHS effect as well to it if you'd like to. But those are just all the effects that I used. Here's me still trying to figure it out. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.